this is from Anonymous. They did not tell us what their name is or where they're from. It says, how much magnesium do I need on a daily basis? I've noticed that when I eat a lot of it, I get the squirts, but also want to be sure I'm getting enough. Now we know why it's Anonymous.
I love when they're talking about their stools, they become anonymous.
My doctor said that I am magnesium deficient, and I'm wondering what causes this. So
magnesium is, there's probably 200 different body functions that rely on magnesium. So magnesium is critical for so many functions. But to answer her question, the best thing, getting loose stools from taking magnesium is normal. So one of the ways you can try to find what's called your optimal dose is to increase it till bowel tolerance, which means you take it until your stools start to get loose. And then if that's, whatever milligrams, just cut it down.
Yeah, and I'm going to show you.
And then also the form of magnesium.
Zell, will you go grab me that comb out of my office?
I want to see what's in that. But the form of magnesium is very important. So some of the cheaper forms is like magnesium oxide.
Okay.
So magnesium oxide is not very absorbable.
Okay.
So it's a better stool softener. Now things like magnesium
so if
glycinate. If you're trying to poop, use magnesium oxide.
Okay.
It's poorly absorbable and it's cheap and it's usually in a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Where if you're looking at a higher quality supplement like magnesium citrate or magnesium glycinate, those are going to be higher absorbed and you'll have less
so
stool
I'm going to
softening
show you
and more into the system.
I'm going to show you something that I take not every day. It's called Calm, and I actually do use it when I am constipated. It definitely works and helps me. So this is what it's called. It's called Natural Calm. Maybe you can zoom in here so you can see it.
So
what is this made with?
It just says magnesium.
So it doesn't say exactly which kind?
Ionic magnesium. Oh, chelate.
Sorry about that. You hear some noise in the background. We have our neighbor.
It's got magnesium
forklift.
carbonate. So it says a proprietary blend of citric acid and magnesium carbonate. So I would say that just from being somewhat cynical, it's probably mostly magnesium carbonate.
Okay.
Which is less absorbable.
Right.
And
so do you have a brand of magnesium that you recommend or have maybe that you sell in your office?
There's not really a brand. I would just say look at the forms, So I mean,
gotcha.
So make sure you've got like a chelated magnesium.
So her question is, how much magnesium do I need on a daily basis? What would you say to that?
I would say go to the bowel tolerance. So because everybody's different. So when someone says like every needs 1,000 milligrams of calcium, those are generalizations. You don't know that. But what's nice is that by doing that bowel tolerance, you take it to where
you're getting the squirts,
so you're
taking too much.
You're taking two things. You're taking too much in the wrong form. So one, you want to get but if your body gets saturated, so if you're taking magnesium and your tissues get saturated, then the body will start dumping it in your stool.
Right.
So that's what's called bowel tolerance, and that's one easy way to try to figure out. But if you're just taking carbonate, then you get bowel tolerance a little quicker.